2009 Touareg. If you need to change the rear bulb on the backup light, get 2 screws on the bumper, and then you just pop it out. And right now I'm about to use this one because even though I can't get my hand in there, I can't twist it, so I gotta get this screw out, and it's already missing the other one on this side, so that should be easier. So it's out, but I can't twist it because this thing is holding it here. It's sealed from this side. The other tab is broken right there, so I was able to take it out, but can't figure out how to take it out without breaking this. Now this is where this came in handy pretty good. So let me keep trying. Okay, I finally got it out. You do have to push that up, turn it clockwise, as you can see right there. It's very hard because of this stupid thing, and then it's almost pressing there, so you gotta use a screwdriver to pry it out after you turn it. So now I gotta change it, and that's how you take the 2009 Touareg rear bulb out so that you don't break this, even though this one's already broken here, but at least it'll still be useful. And I have the bulb here somewhere. So I was wrong. You have to go counterclockwise because that's where the big tab is on this right here, and when you put it on, it's right here, so it's going to be on the left, not on the right. So when you're lifting that tab, make sure you go counterclockwise to get the big one on here. I ended up going on the right, but it still came out, but it's supposed to be to the left, not to the right.